I'm sorry, it's Saturday. What is the date? 24th?
23rd, I think.
23rd. Okay, you want to take a look at the agenda? At the.
Keep coming.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm working on it.
Ridiculous.
We step back a little.
It's like Niagara Falls.
Yeah. Wow. Let me take a different angle.
You can see it's coming over.
Yes. Yes.
It's coming over that support.
It comes here. It comes from here.
Yeah.
It comes out here, and then it literally pours onto here, and then poof.
Yep. Let's see what's going on over here. I think it's leaking just because you can see water in the crack.
Yes.
Can you blow that up a little bit? Like blow your screen up to get the water in the crack?
Yeah, I can see. I think I can see droplets. Yeah.
You can just see it like splashing there.
Right. And it splashes. It bounces back. My hand gets wet standing back 2 feet. My hand and camera getting wet because it splashes back from. Here's a total disaster. Okay, we continue. This whole area, which we did, I didn't
This is
see.
all wet.
It's all wet, soaking wet.
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 Wow, look at that. Here we go. You can see the color of wetness. Wet. Oh, it's a total, it's on, oh, look at the bottom here, look at this. It is unbelievable. How could this be possible? Okay, so it's not as visible as it was earlier, but the rain pours between the gutter and the siding, Barbara, correct?
Yeah, kind of where that piece of metal is a point. It comes down.
Yes,
It just streams off
yes,
that like
yes,
a river.
yes. It was a river between the gutter and the siding that needs to be closed. Okay, that's all I can do.